Hello everyone, I'm the producer of the So Tiny So Many series. Hiking to Mountain High West has three characteristics. Firstly, a scenic spot so close to the city. Secondly, the shortest climbing path, easy walk to the top. Thirdly, Via Lugard Road is the most comfortable and most spectacular circle walk in the peak. Welcome, like, comment and subscribe So Tiny So Many channel. Your likes are the motivation for us to continue filming. This time, we'll introduce how to take bus to the peak from Admiralty MTR station, Queensway Plaza ACC. Go to Queensway Road, take the bus number 15, about 25 to 30 minutes journey to the peak galleria. Victoria Peak, Chinese is Taiping Shan. With an altitude of 552 meters, the highest peak of the main mountain range on Hong Kong Island. In addition to watching scenery at the Sky Terrace 428 or at the Victoria Peak's Lion Pavilion, you can walk around the peak circle walk and enjoy a different view from a different perspective. This time, enter from Harlech Road, climb up to Mount High West, and exit via Lugard Road. Starting from the Pavilion in High West Picnic area, walk a distance of 650 meters to mountain top. The steps along the way are steep and tight. Some sections of the road are only half a meter width. Tourists need to give way to each other when getting on and off. Climbed up 100 meters altitude. Mount High West is located in the west of Hong Kong Island with a height of 494 meters. You can enjoy the views of the south, west, and north side of Hong Kong. It has a panoramic view of Pokfulam Reservoir, Kennedy Town, and Victoria Harbour. It is one of the most famous sunset spots in Hong Kong. Turn back to the pavilion on the original path. Then exit from Lugard Road and return to the Peak Tower. Lugard Road is named after the 14th Governor of Hong Kong, Sir Frederick Lugard. It was built from 1913 to 1914, and the project cost was $50,000 at the time. Since the north slope of Victoria Peak is all rock walls, the engineers specially used the plank road method to build it. Chisel stone piles under the cliff as pillar and build bridge as road. This is the only plank road in Hong Kong, but it is not made of wood piles but made of reinforced concrete. In addition, there were concrete railing and seats along the road, the later part of which still survives, becoming a historical witness of Lugard Road. On the return journey, take the P train back to the P train Central Terminus.